Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So today we're going to move into differential equations and we're going to specifically talk about separable differential equations, finding the particular solution and the general solution. So differential equation is an equation that involves a derivative. So you can see right here, I have a dy dx right here. And remember, our goal is to separate and integrate. We want to get the y's with the dy's, the x's with the dx's. So, and you can only use multiplication and division. So you can either rearrange this in your head or watch how I'm going to do this. So this is going to become y dy when I cross multiply. And then you're going to get negative x dx. So this is really nice and easy. The y's are with the dy's, the x's are with the dx's. So that's step one. Step one is separate. Done. Step two is integrate both sides. That's really important. So we're going to go ahead and let's do some nice, neat math, show the integral symbol. And then we're just going to add 1, divide by the new power, y squared over 2 equals negative x squared over 2 plus c. You only need the plus c on one side, and you're going to put it on the side with the x because that's just good practice. Okay, so now up to this spot right here, if I wanted the general solution, we would stop right here, and this would be the general solution highlighted in blue. But I don't want the general solution because I gave you an initial condition right here. So that means I want the particular solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace x with 0 and y with 1. So check this out because we want to find what c is, the constant of integration. So if we replace x with 0, y with 1, you're going to end up getting c to be 1/2. Okay, so let's do that. So let's replace c with 1/2. Here we go. And particular solution means we want to get y by itself. So if I multiply everything, both sides by 2, it's going to drop out all the fractions. And we're going to just be left with y squared is equal to negative x squared plus 1 square root. And when we square root, we have a plus or minus. And we're going to chat about how do I know if it's plus? How do I know if the particular solution is minus? Well, it has to do with the initial condition. Do you see how the initial condition is equal to a positive 1? So that means we're going to choose the positive of this square root. So the particular solution is going to be y equals square root of negative x squared plus 1. If this said f of 0 equals negative 1, then we would choose the negative. But be sure to show that you have two options, plus or minus, and then make sure you choose the right one. Okay? So step 1, we separate. Step 2, integrate both sides. Step 3, use initial conditions. And then step 4, get y by itself. Get y alone. All right, number 2 example is a little different because I want the general solution. So we're going to separate and integrate, and we're going to leave the c in there. Okay, so once again, let's cross multiply. So we're going to have e to the y dy equals e to the x dx. Integrate both sides. Integral of e to the y is e to the y. Integral of e to the x is e to the x plus c. And then this would be the general solution. Okay. If I wanted us to have initial conditions, then we can go ahead and find the particular solution.